Boy! Welcome back to Captain Bojack's Video Game Gaming Channel, and today we are going to be going over the things that I've gotten to build my brand new first ever PC. Super hype about it. Let's go right up and on into it. First of all, focus. Alright, we got the i7 core 7700K with the VR and all that joins. Gotta make sure it's unlocked though, right? But yeah, that's a pretty good one, I think. To cool that, we got us a Hyper 212 Evo. Eventually I'm gonna go water cooled, aren't we all? But sometimes you gotta start off with air. You know what I'm saying? Alright, next off we got, for our RAM, we got us the G.Skill Ripjaws 5 DDR4, and that's 2 sticks of 8, so that's 16 gigs. Yay. For memory, we got us the SSD SanDisk, whatever, 480 gigs. I'm gonna drop in all my games on there so them boys load up quick. And that's gonna be like my main storage for games and whatnot, like I was saying. But I do have a 2 terabyte hard drive external that I'm gonna be storing like videos, this kind of stuff on, and yeah, that's gonna have to work for now till I get the internal like, hard drives and whatnot. The power, we got 700 watts Thermaltake power supply because, and that's, I mean, what else do you need for power? I mean, it's 700 watts. And for the motherboard, we got us our Maximus 9 Hero motherboard. Pulled this off of Newegg along with all this other stuff, and it got really good reviews, so, and it worked out with all my Intel cores and all that crap. So yeah, freaking copped that one. It looked pretty new. I think it's a newer one. I don't know. Pretty sweet. It's not Playtime, fam. It's not. We got Windows 10 with all this stuff too, and also Arlo, watch out, watch out. Go on, puppy. Go on. We got us a 600C Corsair case, Carbide series. This comes in either C or Q. C being clear, which gives us the window with the little handle. Not the big hole that came out. Everything was safe. That's annoying that it came like, come on, dude. Comes in the 600Q, which is means quiet, and it's no window, and it has like dampening material built in. Alright, dude. And yeah, it makes everything super quiet. We've got the 4 USBs, power, audio, microphone, all that normal stuff. Great, cool thing about this is that it's inverted it's inverted. So like the power supply goes up top and everything else goes on the freaking bottom. So it's like everything's upside down. So we're gonna take it, we're gonna flip it. And that's basically how you get your stuff in there. I don't know, it's gonna be weird, but I'm kind of hype about it. So the USB stuff is gonna be like, I don't know if it's gonna be on the bottom or the top, whatever, like where you plug all your stuff. Anyway, that's all for what I got for now. But everyone in here is like, yo, you can't do any games or anything or edit video without a graphics card. And I'm like, you know what, bruh? I know. But what happened was, I ordered it when I got this stuff, but Best Buy, we got a mix-up, and they changed my credit card, Best Buy credit card number, like without me knowing, and they sent it to my old address, the new card. So we had to cancel that one, have them send the new card to this address. That took forever. So I finally ordered it. It's coming today, and I'm going to show you guys that once it comes in. It's going to be dope. Alright, so after lots of trial, let me focus, and error, there we go. I've gotten this far. I got my motherboard in. Oh, let me scoot down here real quick. Got a zero light in my house. I got my little heat sink going. Got my RAM in there. And around the back, freaking hype. This junk is, oh, look at all my ports. E8, I don't know what's going on. This is crazy. Oh crap, that's not gonna work because it's dark. Anyways, I got my memory stick back there, whatever. I just plugged that in. Getting ready to put the power supply on, and when the door rang, or the doorbell knocked, man, whatever the frick, and that boy came, yeet. We're about to open and get hype. Alright, so I cut 2 and just unwrapped it real quick. I don't want my address on there or anything, so I'm gonna keep that boy backwards, but try to get all the bubble wrap out without dropping it. That would suck. And boy, oh, it's that TI. It's a hype. It's a hype. Let me get this boy out the package real quick. Alright, here it goes. Let's see if I can one-hand this crap. Slide it. Ugh. Slide. Oh, frick, that would've sucked. Puppy stretching in the background because she don't give a frick. How do I open this? Dude, how secure can one sec. Alright. Got it, let's go. I mean, I wanted to experience it for the first time with the YouTube crew. Man, holding this big old DSLR and trying to frickin' do this is not easy, yo. Let me tell you. But it's worth it. Golly, that thing is a monster. That boy big. I think. I don't know. Oh. Gotcha. Alright. Boy-os. That mug is... I'm gonna put it next to Puppy for comparison. Golly. Alright. Now that we got that, it's the TI. There we go. Whoa, I'm hype. What we got? What kind of ports we rocking? We got some DVIs, or whatever that digital, I think it's not DVI. What is that junk called? Digital display, yay. And then we got the HDMI. Dope. But it came with, oh, it's a display that came with a displayed DVI. Or whatever that thing is called. I think that's called the DVI, right? Digital video something. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, then that's the display. And I think this is how it goes in the motherboard, I believe, right? If I'm not right, I'll find out soon, mate. So, that's that. That's the freaking card. Boy, that's a monster. And I will check you when I have this boy ready to push the power button. Alright, so here we are with everything put together. I freaking went ahead and turned it on and tested it and installed Windows and stuff because it was just a hassle and I had a few things going on that were annoying, so I had to figure them out and fix it, and I just wanted to make sure it was working. So, but what we got inside here, we've got us I wish I had a freaking light, dude. I got us our 1080 Ti up there, and then I don't know if you can see, but I got these 2 wires crossing over the front. Let me turn my flashlight on real quick, one sec. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so I got these 2 wires crossing over the front right there, and that's not because I suck at this, it's because they weren't long enough for the like to reach around the back to go through the little cord slots. Everything else is super nice. I got it all hooked up, and then those weren't long enough to go through the sides that I needed, so that sucks. I'm gonna get some extensions, make it look a little bit nicer, and then I don't know how to make that RGB light stop RGBing. I want it to just be like blue or something, but I'll figure that out. I think I gotta get the software for the motherboard, whatever that is. And yeah, I mean, I'll freaking cut it on so we can see how that boy power up. Wait, I think it is on, isn't it? But yeah, I already had it on. I just had to push space bar, let that boy start going. So yeah, I got my fans all hooked up, all 3 of them boys, my cooler everything all looking good, man. So now I just gotta jump into some gaming again, see how this boy flow, cause I hope it flow good. Cause if it flow good, then we gonna be getting buckets. Yay! Pretty quiet so far. I haven't even heard this thing. I know my card will get hot AF because I was looking at like reviews, and if you don't turn the fan speed up, then it will get hot. So I gotta figure out how to get that boy up a little bit. And yeah, that's it. That's my PC build. I said I was gonna peel the plastic off for the BIOS, for the YouTubians. Oh, let me keep that flashlight on there. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I haven't even. Ooh, I'm kind of hyped to make it official. You know what I'm saying? Let me cut to the freaking plastic peelage. Yay! All right, here we go. And also, I want to apologize for the horrible lighting. My house has no light anywhere, and Yeah, that's that. So here it goes. Oh boy, oh, it's Essa clean. Wait, is there one on the inside too? There sure is. We get to do this twice. Aha! I've got it. Alright, we're gonna do this one from the bottom. Try not to touch it. Yes! Oh, that's pretty clear, dude. I wasn't expecting the plastic to be that clear. Freaking, I got dog hair on it already and it's all super static. Alright, whatever. Ooh, that boy kind of reflecty. Hey, what up, puppy, in the mirror? Hey, that's kind of hype. Alright then, well that's that PC build. I'm gonna be gaming all the games. I'll be streaming and I'll be doing update videos if I get anything nasty and whatnot. So yeah, shout out to you guys, and peace. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, leave a like. You know the dealio. Yeah. You guys were joining me on my adventure, my very first PC ever.